Hi guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. I'm gonna go ahead and do a mid-month tarot reading for July for all the zodiac signs. So we're gonna see what's in store for all of you guys. Keep in mind this is a general reading, so if you want something more specific to you and your energy, you can book a reading with me in the detail box below. Join my Instagram, Oshun_the Great. Everything's been popping over there. You can see my reviews, everything that I offer, and just my daily life, because I stay the most updated there. But I'm trying to get cool, entertaining videos to you guys and educational videos to you guys here. So first we're going to start with Aries. I'm going to pull one card for each sign. Aries. So some of you guys are wanting to go on a long trip abroad, but for some reason you're putting it on the back burner. Maybe you feel like, oh, I don't have enough money, I can't go here, making a lot of excuses basically. But a lot of you guys just need to make up your mind of what you want to do and then go for it. So next up is Taurus. Alright, so some of you guys are wanting to expand your spirituality. This means that you're going to catch yourself in the library a lot, just looking up Kundalini, spiritual awakening, third eye, all the metaphysical stuff that you guys want to know. This very well could be the beginning of a huge spiritual awakening. Next is Gemini. Same thing. So a lot of you guys are going to be having your heads in a book for a while this month. You're going to also be trying to go back to school. Some of you guys are going to be picking a place to live in abroad. Japan is coming up a lot lately. Thailand too. A lot of Asian cultures too. Another card popped out for you guys. So yeah, it's a definite yes to whatever place you have in mind that you want to travel to right now. And you may get there sooner than you think. Like, a lot of you guys think it takes a lot to get over to some places, but an opportunity might present itself. Cancer. Alright, so some of you guys need to see certain situations as they are instead of like as an illusion. So for example, if you're dating someone, don't put them on a pedestal. Make sure you look at them for who they are. If they're acting out of like spite, notice that. Don't put them on a pedestal. And then ask yourself if that's the type of relationship you want to be in. Next is Leo. So Leo, you have a new opportunity coming up as far as career. Some of you guys, this involves talent. Some of you guys, this involves just going out and exploring new terrain. Whatever it is, just be open, take more risk, and you will enjoy yourself. Shoot, I forgot where I was. Virgo, I think. Hopefully I didn't skip anybody. Okay, so your Kundalini is awakened. If you've been curious about that, a lot of you guys have been mastering your spirituality. A lot of you guys are also going to be invited to seminars, things of that nature, TED Talks. A lot of you guys are very inspirational at this time if you're using your platform for what you believe in. Libra. I like Libras. Libras, you're going to be fun and lighthearted at this time. A lot of festivities, a lot of letting go, a lot of being carefree. A lot of people letting go of past exes that hurt them, finally being free of them. Scorpio. Alright, so some of you guys might want to get revenge on someone or be spiteful towards someone, but remember that, you know, you are light, you're full of light, and no one can really essentially harm your true essence. So try to let go and release grief, shame, fear, all of that. Ask your guys to take that weight off of you. Sagittarius. Okay, so you guys are known for knowledge and truth seeking. A lot of this is like, a lot of you guys, this, when it's upright, it means you're stepping to the plate, you're stepping to the challenge. But because it's in reverse, some of you guys may be being more fearful than doing what you came here to do on planet Earth. This is me speaking up for the underdogs. And it can be scary because people lash out at that a lot. Capricorn. School. So school is very important to you at this time. A lot of you guys will be going to school in fall. So it's wise to sign up for classes now. Some of you guys will also be signing important contracts in business. Choose wisely. Aquarius. A lot of you guys need to work on your spirituality. Maybe you've been putting on the back burner. Maybe you need to do some deep cleansing, mentally, spiritually, and physically. Take care of yourself, get rest, drink a lot of water. And Pisces, third eye season. So this is a season where you guys are going to be opening your third eye much wider. You're going to be seeing shit you never seen before, gaining knowledge you never knew before, and it's going to help you in your career. But yeah, that's a little brief mid-month tarot reading. Hope you guys enjoy. Again, check out my social media. Be dope, be you unapologetically. Peace.